सचिन
मैम आपको
चलिए, आपने क्या भेजा था उसको आप प्रेजेंट कीजिए अभी। ठीक है, पहले शिवम, पहले सिकंदर करेगा। चलो, वो पीडीएफ या सिकंदर ही में स्टार्ट। तुम रिमोट हो गए हो क्या? चलो कैमरा ऑन करो। नाम क्या है? तो बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं। बाकी बैठे आराम से। ये सुशील कौन है? कैमरा ऑन नहीं, क्लास नहीं। चलिए, तो सच सच के बैठिएगा, जो पहन के मत बैठ जाइए। क्लास आना है तो प्रॉपरली आइए, नहीं तो क्लास से बाहर आइए। स्टार्ट। वो वेटिंग में कैसे चले गए तुम? तो मैंने कहा ना, जितने भी लोग हैं अपना हैंड रेज कीजिएगा, तो नहीं निकलिएगा। पता नहीं तुम कहाँ हो, को दिख नहीं रहे। टाइम वेस्ट होता है। नहीं, ये नॉट इन द वेटिंग। वेटिंग में तुम हो ही नहीं। नहीं हो वेटिंग में तुम। तुम हो ही नहीं कहीं। अभी शो कर रहा है। आइंदा ख्याल रखिए, टाइम वेस्ट होता है आप लोगों का, मेरा कुछ नहीं होगा। सिलेबस आपका कंप्लीट नहीं होगा। ये सचिन कौन है?
यस मैम।
कैसे अंदर आ गए बिना कैमरा ऑन किए हुए?
मैम इधर नेटवर्क सही नहीं है मैम, गांव है।
फिर ठीक है, चलो जाओ। सही हुआ तो आना। रूल्स को फॉलो करना है आपका, आपका रूल फॉलो को नहीं करना। आपका नेटवर्क ऑफ रहे, जब ऑन रहेगा तो बोलिएगा। ये कौन है? 71? आई एम नॉट अलाउइंग। चलो स्टार्ट करो। अलाउ तो कर दिया मैंने, चलो। तुम्हारा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो रहा होगा। चलो,
हेलो एवरीवन। My name is Sikandar Kumar and Here I am going to sharing about my opinion about the essay on being a war, which is written by Robert Wilson Lind, who is a famous writer, who is a Indo-Irish writer, and he was a mix of uh, prose and he's mm, he's a strong writer of Irish, and and his most important works which is he wrote and his famous works is uh, I tremble to think and pleasure of ignorance, and next is mm, old and new master, and etc. And here in this essay on being a war, he highlights highlights wars in locality in our which kind of wars we can find in our locality and society. And here he says first train wars, and he says about train wars that uh, this type of boats is generally found in train, uh, uh, and he gives his opinion about that, and he wrote, wrote on his experience about train boats, that he said he write in this essay that when once he was traveling with his American friends, he was traveling with his American friends. Then he went to the platforms, and then and his American friends bought a bought a watch, a cheaper watch, and although he had an expensive watch, but he bought a cheaper watch, and he and he put on it on his hands instead of expensive watch, and they sat in the train, and as soon as they sat in the train, a person came there, and he sat there, and he asked time, pretext of talking, and and the American put out of his watch and thrown out of the window of the train, and 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 he um, pretending of to be angry, and to saw the Americans, all people was scared, and no one wants to talk with him, and then he the Americans understood why the American why did American bought that cheaper watch. And next is he wrote about political boards, and this type of boards always talking about used to talk about politics, and he share his experience about political votes, that he writes in this essay uh, when he was small, then his uncles uh, used to come his home, and uh, he always used to talk about politics, and and to listen about politics, he he felt bored, and he once he made a plan, and he wanted to go and visit with his uncle, and when he uh, when he went out of his house, and then he uh, asked questions, strange questions to his uncle, like that. This road is made by that persons, and this house is belongs to that person, something like that, which is no meaning. This and he asked that questions which has no real meaning, no meaning of meaning, and here he write political force, the reason on his experience, and next is he wrote about Gulf War. The Gulf War, those wars whom always talking about that thing which is common things, which no persons knows about that, about that thing. And next is he write in his essay about one way wars. So he writes, he described in this essay one way wars, those wars who always talking himself, and they sorry, they didn't give an opportunity to others to speak any word. And next is two-way wars, who always when he writer gives an example to explore two-way wars, that when friends or two colleagues meet, after a long time, then he talk about the things what happened with them, and after that he began to board each other. And next is childhood wars, which is which is bored people from his childhood. It is from his childhood. It's habitual. It's this type of is habitual, and
War wars.
what?
War wars.
War wars, and next is war wars, who always this type of wars always talk about war, that they always talk about wars in and thank you. And next is watering birds, who always find in traffic jam, and they always beg others and pretext of beg. He always try to talk with people, and it is also the long. It is also a boon for them. Thank you.
We understood, which is clear. Yes, next. All right.
Hello everyone, my name is Mitesh Kumar. I am going to tell about On Being War essay. On Being War is an essay which is written by the Robert Wilson Lind. Robert Wilson was Anglo-Irish. He was born on 20 April 1879 in Belfast, United Kingdom, and he was died on 9 October 1949 in United Kingdom. He took education in Royal Belfast Institution and Queen University, Belfast. His nationality was British Irish. He became a journalist after his completing education. On being born is based on people's ideas and preoccupation. In this essay, Robert Wilson tell about many type of wars. He first say that about train wars. Train wars is related to the train wars related to the journey. When anybody journey to the train, they face many type of problem. In this war, when I am suffering by the train, then anybody say to me those type of words that I am not interesting. So I become poor in this essay. In this essay, there was a American who was rich, and he also have a costly watch, but he bought a low cost watch, because he knew that in the train anybody come to me and asked about the time and try to make a war. So he bought this prices watch, and he started journey by the train, and during his journey there was a person who come to American and say that what is time. Then he threw away his less price watch. So to see it, everybody feels that he was mad. So he make journey from no disturb. Next golf is golf wars. Golf is games. In this, if I tell about if I tell to anybody about this games, who has no has memo.
कोशिश करो.
हम वीडियो क्लिप बनाएंगे इसको उसके बाद.
चलो
मैं रूम पे क्लियरली बोल देते हैं सब कुछ, मतलब कि जो भी मन में आता बोल देते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे नर्वस हो जाते हैं.
वही दूर करना है ना, वो बोलना पड़ेगा क्लास में. ठीक है, बिना बोले नहीं होगा. यस,
माइंड में नहीं करते क्या बोले आगे क्या बोलना है, ये सोच नहीं पाते.
चलो.
Good afternoon, everyone, and good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Chotu Kumar Sani, and I explain the train board. Train boards. The writer finds rich man, and boards बचने के लिए क्या होता है? और बचने के लिए, मतलब बोर्ड से बचने के लिए. Save and self party boards his fans and costly watch in the pocket and what's that?
This best.
Less watch buy, and he was no a person. Please, what is the time, please? And and his friend, his friends, and angry and watch through the watch and 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 present times I am a maid and and I had a man you understand mad person and nervous uh, and and any other person not talk in what is time place. So that is called ten boards. Thank you, ma'am.
Next.
Can I, ma'am?
My name is Rama Kumar. I am going to tell about one being board. 10 board. These types of board create during the traveling in the train. When anybody came to me and take to me address and version, and then I will fill board in his essay. There was a American who in his essay the writer I
नेक्स्ट डे कब आएगा? मनीष कुमार बोलिए। मनीष कुमार। मनीष कुमार सुन रहे हो?
Good afternoon, one and all present here. I am going to talk about evils of dowry. Dowry system is a great evil in our society. There was a time when it was not in practice in India. The parents were at their sweet give some presents to their daughters as they liked. So it was as their sweet will. Now times have changed. Bridegrooms are sold like sellable commodity. As a matter of fact, the boy is auctioned to the highest bidder in the marriage market. It has vitiated the whole atmosphere of our society. It has parents having daughter are completely ruined. For a poor man, it has become difficult to marry his daughter if he cannot afford so much money or things to be given in dowry. His daughter is mercilessly tortured or killed. This is the cuts of our society. The poor brides either commit suicide or are murdered brutally. The dowry deaths are uh, the dowry deaths are symptoms of a very deep rooted social disease. It cannot be removed by legislation only. This evil will die a natural death once women become economically independent. It must be eradicated at any cost. So we should educate our girls in the society. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Next. Anshu Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Good afternoon, everyone, and good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Now, I am going to share my view on being a board. The being a board is a essay which is written by Robert Wilson Lind. He was a Anglo-Irish writer, and in this story, the writer tells about the many types of boards. The first types of boards is train boards. Train boards is a when w- when the writers is traveling in the train, and s- and there was a American person. He have he have also a he have also a medium watch, but when he is traveling in the train, eh, he buys a cheapest watch and then put on his hand, because somebody asked him what is the time. Then he is not interested. Then he thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Complete this.
But, and he became angry, and then he and the second boards is golf boards. These types of boards is related to
What did the
sports.
American do when somebody asked him what time it is? Why did he throw out the watch?
Ma'am,
He will have to tell this, no? Now in the next class, everybody come prepared.
and he reacts mad, and but Robert Lind is interested in traveling. Uh, his friends is not interested to I am not prepared, ma'am.
It's bad to say I'm not prepared. And I will not continue with the next lesson unless and until you give me all the, revise all the lessons.
Next time, ma'am, I am prepared.
You start from story number 1, story number 2, number 3.
And third board is political boards.
Continue with the lesson now, unless and until you give me all the presentations. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
everybody
Thank you.
do this. Chalo, next.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, why are you?
Also known as Nalanda University, also known as Nalanda International University, is an international and research-intensive university located in the historical city of Rajgir, Bihar, India. It was established by an act of parliament to emulate the famous ancient history of Nalanda, which functioned between the 5th and 13th century. The idea to resurrect Nalanda University was endorsed in 2007 at the East Asia Summit, represented mostly by Asian countries, including China, Singapore, Japan, Malaysia, and Vietnam, apart from Australia and New Zealand. And as such, the university is seen as one of the flagship projects of the Government of India. It has been designated as the project of Government of India. It has been designated as an international institution of national importance by the Parliament and began its first academic session on 1 September 2014. Initially set up with temporary facilities in Rajgir, a modern campus spanning over 160 hectares, that is 400 acres. Campus spanning over is expected to be finished by the end of 2021. This campus upon completion will be the largest of its kind in India and one of the largest in Asia. It is a type of central university and its campus is type of urban. So ma'am, stop.
This is also a good idea to represent your idea bank. इसको तो
Yes, ma'am.
इस होमवर्क को तो स्टॉप करना ही नहीं है.
Okay.